Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to review the Jingle Miner little solo Bitcoin miner that you can win on a free BTC every 10 minutes. And as you see on the screen here, this is the actual miner and it's mining now. I'm just going to go over what you actually get on the miner, okay? So the first thing above there is the block templates, okay? And then you have best difficulty, and it started out I think at 7, now I have 54, and below that you have the 32-bit shares, 19, below that again you have the time the miner has been active, and I'm going to show you that it's actually mining on the blockchain, okay, in a few seconds. Below that you have the time, and on the left side here we have the amount. So it's 312.5 kilohash mining. So if you go to JingleMining.com, you will come to this website here, or you can use the link in the description box. If you use my link, you will actually get a discount on the code, and the code is Anders. It would come up on the screen there. So the first miner they have is the actual Jingle Miner, and this is the miner that I have now. I think I'm going to review this very soon. They have the BTC Solo Lite, that's 1.2 terahash. So if you buy this one and not this one, you will have higher chance of actually hitting a valid block. Okay, but this is a great starter pack. Okay, lottery miner, Jingle Miner. So I think Nerd Miner has 50 kilohash on their miner. This is an upgraded version, and it has, at the point of this video, 312 kilohash per second. So the question remains, will a lottery miner ever hit a block? And the short answer is it has a possibility. Okay. And as you see in front of me here, we have the actual dashboard. So this is the website where you use your solo miner at their pool, okay? And on top here, you see the 54 is the best difficulty. And network difficulty is 155 trillion. So I think it's a little block away. Block height and network hash rate. And then you see below here, the actual miner terahash or kilohash miner below here, and settings. And if you go to the actual pool here, we can see that online devices, Antminer, Greenbit, Jingle Miner, 32 milliampere hash. And below here, high scores that actually hit a block. So a Nerd QX and a Lucky Miner hit a 6.46 trillion hash, and this is just a bit faster than the lottery miner. It's 4 months ago, so that's quite cool actually. As you see, the miner is in progress, so you can follow it here, follow it along. So now it has 346 kilohash, so it fluctuates up and down, and I hope I will hit the block soon. Maybe not. So you can actually see the valid blocks on the miner itself here. So this was a Jingle Miner lottery miner review. If you want to buy one of these miners or one of the free, just click the link below this video and use the code Anders when you check out. You can go to JingleMiner.com and check it out yourself. Hope you all have a great day. Comment your thoughts, what you think about this lottery miner, and most importantly, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share this video with all your wonderful friends. Have a great day. Take care.